All right, guys, and we are live. So what's going on, guys? It's Stockmarketchuy, and welcome back to the channel. So today is a pretty special day because my account went up quite a bit. So I'm up 5K or 3.04% as of today. And most of these gains are from this bad boy right here. Where is it? TSLL. It had an absolutely amazing day today. It's all because they reported earnings and they did it incredible for the earnings. Honestly, a lot of people were not expecting a lot, but yeah, they did it absolutely incredible. But all right, guys, if you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and then check out the Discord that's linked down below. So obviously, this is the Discord right here, and then we're always having new people join the Discord. So make sure you guys check out the Discord. Like I said, people are always joining, and then I gotta add more chats onto here, so then it's not all clamped up into one. But all right, like I said, make sure you guys join the Discord, and then if you guys are struggling with selling options, make sure you guys check out the membership as well. It's only $19 per month, and then here's all the things that you get. You guys get proven results from somebody who's been making over 2K per month selling options. You guys are gonna learn and earn, get access to my trades and the reason behind them. You guys are building wealth with me with dividend investing, selling options, and then buying dividend growth stocks, and then buying dividend stocks as well. You guys get my phone number. You guys get the selling option scores for beginners. You guys get weekly Zoom calls. You guys can ask me anything. You guys get real-time trade alerts. Then you guys get stocks that I'm buying. So all of that is inside this $19 bundle, I would say. So make sure you guys check that out. And then, like I said, we have 12 members in there, so you're not alone. There's people who have 2K, and then there's some people who have over 25K. There's people in between there. So make sure you guys check it out. We're always talking on there. And then every single time that I do make a play, I sell a call, I sell an option or whatever, you guys will be notified. But all right, guys. Like I said, what a day for the portfolio. Like absolutely incredible. This one is up 5K, and then this one right here, this one's gonna blow you guys away. This one's up around 10% or 1.7K. This one did absolutely incredible for today. I'm like, wow. I can't even put it into words because like my net worth jumped up quite a bit, but Tesla, they just blew it out of the water. And like I said, Tesla earnings were extremely good. They were a lot better than people were expecting. They beat on earnings per share and then revenue. So yeah. And then I just want to let you guys know that I am still buying Celsius. I know it's been going down quite a bit, but I'm hoping it stays around the 30 to like $34 range because I'm still selling covered calls, and then I'm selling cash secured puts as well. As you guys can see from right here, I have one cash secured put and then two covered calls at 34, and then both of these I'm gonna have to roll on Monday. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So Monday gonna be definitely rolling those out. Who has the biggest portfolio in your Discord? So far, I think it's me, but obviously not everyone shows their portfolios. TSLL is going crazy. Yeah, dude, TSLL, like, if we just look at this, like, honestly, it's insane what it did. Up 41% just today. And then for the 1 week, it's up 31%. And obviously, for the month, it's not doing that well. But I was buying more shares right here. So thankfully, I was doing that. Chewy keeps getting richer every day. Yeah, dude, that's the goal. But obviously, I know we're gonna have a down market in like 2 to 3 years, or maybe before then. Who knows? But I'm just waiting, preparing, and I'm still gonna keep selling calls, selling puts, buying dividend stocks, buying growth stocks, and selling options along the way. So honestly, super blessed to have to be up basically $1,800 or 10% just today. And it's all, like I said, it's all thanks to Tesla. Then I'm gonna have to roll this option. I was thinking about rolling it today, but I decided I'm gonna wait a little bit, and then I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna roll this option. And I think what I'm gonna do is I don't have enough buying power yet, but I'm gonna go from the $9 to the $10, and then I'm gonna collect $450 review order. And then, like I said, I don't have enough buying power, so I might have to roll it out even further, maybe October. Nope, just kidding. Let's see, November. Let's see. If I did 10, would it let me? Yeah, still not enough money. But yeah, or I can just something else that I could do is just buy back one of these and then just roll it out. But obviously, I'm gonna wait until Monday to even do anything with these accounts. And then I did roll some options, but obviously, I'm not gonna show you guys that just because it's unfair to the members that did pay. Where do you work? I work at two different country clubs. I I sell and covered calls on TSL L9 contracts at 11.5 and 7 contracts at what which is in the money, which I don't mind being called away. Yeah, dude. And then the great thing about options is that you can actually roll those options. And then what's your expiration date, Juanita? How does it feel to be part of the 170 club? Very good, dude. Honestly, the next goal is 180K for this account, and then so with the Robinhood accounts, both of them, the Roth IRA plus this one, it crossed over 190K, which is honestly incredible. Like I was saying to you guys, oh, today. Gotcha. Let's see what else. And then these, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna have to roll these contracts today. Today I rolled some of my contracts, but they were for net debits. So that just means I paid somebody else money for me to roll the option. If 190 is on Robinhood, where is the rest? So I have a Webull account and then an M1 Finance portfolio and then a Fidelity account as well, and public. So I have a lot of different portfolios. But like the reason why I have different portfolios is like this one is the big one where I'm gonna make a lot of the money. But I also have the Webull portfolio. That one is for selling options as well. So that one is just strictly selling options. And then I have the M1 Finance portfolio. That one is for just monthly paying dividend stocks. And then Fidelity, that one is where I have my SEP IRA. So yeah, I have a bunch of different accounts because of that. Doesn't that mean more work? Yeah, but for me, I don't mind it. You got to do what you got to do in order to achieve what you want to achieve. Tax work, honestly, it's not even that hard either because, like, with all of the accounts, you just plug in, like, the account number and then some other number, and then it just puts it in there for you. So it really doesn't take you that much time when it comes tax time. The only one that I did have problems with was when I was doing crypto. I was like, I forgot what it was called. I think it was like KPIs or KPYs you had to find, and I was like, bro, this is hard. So that's why I got out of crypto because yeah, it was just incredible. I will say though, I did buy a couple more shares of JEPQ today. So JEPQ, like like I was saying to you guys before, my goal is to get to 300 shares of JEPQ. Right now, I'm close to 270, so I just need 30 more shares of JEPQ. And then this is with all of my accounts. So with this one, where is it? I have 240, and then inside my other one, I have around 30. So yeah, my goal is 300 shares of JEPQ, and then the next one is going to be I think I was gonna do JEP E to try to get to 100 shares of JEP E, but I think my next one is gonna be QQQI just because this one is a lot more steady with their dividends. So like I'm gonna get paid out $1.83 in dividends, and then this is just me holding 3 shares. So and then they pay out every single month. And then what I really like is that like the stock doesn't drop that much. Obviously, it dropped right here because they're paying out the dividend, and then what I really like is that it hasn't gone down, and then their goal is to make 20% per year. So for me, that's way more than enough. And then for me, like I said, I just want the consistent dividends. So that's why I'm buying JEPQ, and then I have JEPE in a separate account. And then the next one is going to be QQQI, just because, like I said, I really want to get to 300 shares of JEPQ, 100 shares of JEPE, and then 100 shares of QQQI. So yeah, those are obviously my goals. And then I was I did have a goal of let's see. So here we go. One of the goals that I do have is to make $1,300 per month sell or no with dividend income. So this is going to be my number one priority as of right now because I've been doing extremely well with selling options. The goal was to make over 3K per month selling options. This past month, I forgot what my numbers are at, but I remember it was over 3K. So selling options has been going extremely well. So yeah, I've been selling puts aggressively on TSL, which is 4% return on my money on the low end each week. Dang. For me, like I like to do biweekly, so yeah. Did you stop contributing to the SEP IRA if you continue? No, because you can put money into both accounts. So now that I'm a business owner, you can put in a quarter of however much you make into the SEP IRA, and the Roth IRA is just that one you can put in if you're a business owner, if you're a W-2 employee. Well, that's just what I read, anyways. But like, I only made $200 or $250 in revenue um, for this month, so I can put in around 50 to $70 into my SEP IRA. But obviously, that's just what I read and what I heard. What is your business? The membership that I have, my YouTube. Like I said, guys, the membership that I do have, uh, I can consider that a business, and thankfully, it'll lower my taxes as well. I only made like $250 from the memberships, so it's not that much. And then $70 is going into that account, like I said before. But I also have like a smaller account on there. Like I have the SEP IRA plus an individual account as well inside Fidelity. Can I launder? No, dude, I wouldn't recommend that because once you have problems with the IRS, they're gonna keep bugging you. So I've heard some bad stories of some people who like had to pay a whole bunch of money just because they were money laundering and all that stuff. So I'm like, I'd rather not deal with that. For me, I'm just gonna do it the right way. But all right, guys. Any more questions, comments, anything else that you guys want to see here? And then really quick, let me check Qualtrim to see if they updated the Tesla earnings report. Sorry, guys, bear with me. Oh, they do. So obviously the revenue went up, EBITDA, free cash flow is trending in the right direction, earnings per share is going up as well, and then they have a whole bunch of cash as well, so they're not going out of business anytime soon. Their shares outstanding are pretty much the same though, which I do like as a growing business. Hopefully one day they will buy some shares back, but obviously right now the stock is extremely expensive, so I understand why they are not doing that. We want to see the SEP IRA. No, dude. It's only like $70 right now, so I don't know why you would want to see it. Business and buy stocks. Yeah, dude, exactly. Because I was yesterday, I had the realization that I was like, shoot, if I make over 100K next year, I'm gonna have to pay at least 25K back to the IRS. So I'm like, what are some good ways that I can deduct my taxes? And that was one of the best ways. Um, so he says when all my TSL contracts expire by Friday, I will have 29K to use on CleanSpark by selling puts at the 11.5 strike price by November 8th. This lets me sell 26. Dang, this lets me sell 26 contracts and collect around 2.6K for 2 weeks. Dang. Just imagine that. I think maybe I'll join you with selling options on CleanSpark. You should check out CleanSpark. Yeah, I definitely will. I know they're one of like the more profitable mining companies for crypto. So yeah, for sure, I'll do more due diligence on that. Do double down on longs, bro. Trust me. Don't listen. Double down on longs, bro. Trust me. Don't listen to me. I'm negative. What? Nah, dude, you're not. But all right, guys, I do gotta go. So if you guys do have any more questions, please let me know on Instagram. That's where I usually always am. Or you guys can always message me on the Discord. But all right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching for today. And then I'll see you guys hopefully again tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Thank you.